Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the process of broadcasting a video with ConvertKit. If you're new to ConvertKit, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow along with us. First, click on Send. Next, click on Broadcasts. Then on the right side, click on New Broadcast. After that, choose a template for your broadcast. There are two ways to broadcast video. The first way is to copy the URL and paste it, and the second is to directly upload the video. We are going to directly upload. Then click on Add Content. After that, click on the plus button, then scroll down. Next, click on Video. Afterward, customize your broadcast settings and click Continue, then click on Send Email. After that, choose your filters and send time for your broadcast. Finally, click on Continue. That's it. Your broadcast is complete. I hope you found this helpful. Before we wrap up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.